Hey everybody, Sam back once again, and yes, we're here to do another unboxing. Today we've got the from iRobot, and it is the Roomba 980. Now I want to say thank you to my wife, who's actually going to be helping me do this video today. And in the back of the box, as you can see, it says smart, simple, and clean. Yeah, now if you want to go through all the mumfo bumfo, you can do that. But hey, we're just going to see what we get inside this box today. So, dun dun dun. You ready for this?
Yeah.
And open we got, almost, quick, and way. So you can see here is the actual main unit itself. It is very, very shiny, so you're probably going to need your polishing cloth to keep it looking nice and clean. Right, so let's start taking stuff out of this box. So yeah, let's have a look in there first. So on the side of it, you have, let's have a look, what have we got in there, Mahal? So these are two sensors. Now what I'll do is I'll just bring it a bit closer. What you can do with these, as you can hopefully just about see, you can put it in different sections of your house, or you can put it, let's say, where your cats, your dogs drink, and it will actually stop the robot from knocking them about or touching them. Again, or you can have it like that, so it won't go from one surface to another surface. Now you do get two of those inside the box, which is pretty cool. So I'll just give you that one back. What else do we also get? We get two sets of batteries, which we can see, which is cool. And we also get, I think just here, is the air filter. Let's have a quick look. So we have, I think this is the air filter. And we also have, I believe it's a replacement brush. So this is what's going to do a lot of the work down your skirting boards, etc, etc. So give you that one back, Babs. And then here you've got your plug, which is going to be used obviously to charge the actual device itself. So yes, it is wireless. There's no wires and stuff like that. Obviously apart from this to charge it up. So I'll give you that one back. Right, let's have a look at the main unit itself. Dun-dun-dun. Right, sorry. Yeah, pass me that one, Mahal. Can you get it out? Oh, take the big one out first, Babs. And is it heavy? So let's have a quick look at this. Let's see if I can get this in shot. So you can see here, it's got a clean function. If you just bring it a little bit closer, Mahal. So it's got a clean function here. And I'll tell you what, I'll go through some of this stuff a little bit later. But here's the main part. It's got a camera. So if you just want to turn it over for us, Babs. Let's have a quick. Let's have a quick look at the underneath it, Mahal.
Underneath?
Yep. So because here it's got the rollers. Bring it a little bit closer down. Tell you what, I'll just adjust the shot as well. There we go. So we've got the actual wheels that go up and down. Now that's to change with regards to different surfaces. As you can see here, these were the first brush, which kind of spins around, gets all the dust and all that. Got like a little wheel here. This is where the charging ports are going to be. So it actually charges itself. Yeah. Just to this side here is where I believe this is where the dust collection is going to be. And again, this wheel as well also does the same thing as well. You get plastic all around it, but yeah. This is the main mumfo bumfo of it. So what else do we get inside the bottom of the box, Mahal?
Shall we put it on the side?
Yeah, just stick it there for us.
What's this?
So this, from what I can remember, yep, it is the charging port. Charging dock, should I say. So on this dock here, as you saw on the bottom of the actual device, they both connect to this. Now, yes, it actually drives itself in and then starts actually charging itself. And I believe it's with this little beacon here. Nice little iRobot branding there. And effectively, you're going to plug it in with that plug we saw earlier. Put this somewhere where it can actually reach. And it'll just drive up, start charging itself. That's pretty damn doody, I must admit. So I'll give you that one back. So what we also get here. So we get the instruction manual, which we never read. So let's chuck that off to the side. And is that everything inside the box, Bebs?
Yeah. Yeah, that's everything.
Right, and that's pretty much it, people. So what we'll do now is just move the stuff out of the way and we'll have a closer look at the actual robot itself. Right, so as you can see, we've actually got a little bit closer here. So we've got the clean function. And as I said before, you can probably hear that, it has got a camera. It's hard to see, but you can probably just see it there. See this here? Now this is like a little camera, a little sensor that effectively reads its surroundings. So as it's going around, this kind of twizzles around. Obviously the rollers will do what they do, etc, etc. And so I'll tell you what, let's see if we can take this plastic off. Whom, whum, whum. Ah, get away. And I believe we also have some plastic on this side as well. Ah, get away. So as you can probably tell, it's a bit of a different unboxing than I've done before. But hey, why not? So let's have a quick look underneath it again for you. It's going to give you a bit of a better look. So let's actually just pull this out of here. Honestly, not too sure what I'm doing with this right now, but I'm going to guess that's probably activated it so, you know, the battery will now connect to all of it. Now, as I said before, if I can just take this back out here, this is where you actually take out the dust, and that's it. Just basically pops out, and as you can see there, you actually already get a filter already in there. So you are getting, which I think is pretty cool, you're getting a replacement filter and a replacement brush. Now look how easy that is. I'm only using one hand. Boom, out it comes, in it goes. I got to admit, that's pretty damn easy, is that? Now, when I say with regards to the sensor, as you can hear it, this is a sensor here, and that's what it's going to do on that one there. So as you can see, it's got like a little sensor on the top. That is effectively going to talk with this one here. Yeah, if you can focus for us. Anyway, this is just a quick unboxing. If it's quick, hopefully it's going to be pretty quick. Just a quick unboxing of the Roomba 980. Now, I am going to be doing a demonstration to show you how it does clean. Now, you're thinking, Sam, really? Well, if you have a quick look around, I've left bits of dirt over the Christmas-ish period. So we've got plenty of dirt to see whether or not this can do a good job. So, if you want to check out that video, there is a link down below. And I'll also try and put the card on the screen at the end of the video so you can actually see how it does work. I'm also going to show it going to its base station to charge. And I'll also try and show you the app as well. Anyway, people, I want to say thank you for watching. If you've got any questions about this or anything else, you know what to do by now. Yes, you can hit me up on Twitter at samjpullen. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, you name it, I am pretty much there. Now, while you're here, you want to hit that subscribe button, go on, it's free. Yeah, it doesn't cost you a penny, a nickel or a dime. Yeah, and go on, smash the like button. You know you want to. Anyway, thank you for watching, and you'll hopefully see me. Well, you might not see me. You saw my wife. Here's my wife.
Hello.
In my next video. Cheers, everyone.